Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Head Chef Mom. I'm Kendall Lawrence and I am so happy that you're here again with me today. And before we get started on what we're going to cook together today, I want to tell you about another channel that I've been really enjoying. I have really been enjoying a channel called Meathead, and I think the young gentleman's name that is the star of the show over there, his name is Chris, and it is such a wonderful channel, guys. He's very passionate about barbecuing and meat, and he also does some cooking indoors, and he has beautiful videos. It's very entertaining, and the food looks absolutely amazing. Wonderful recipes. So if you're looking for some wonderful hearty recipes, go over and visit Meathead, and I am going to put a link to his video in the I card above. You can just click on the I, or you can click on the end card at the end of the video. I'll have a picture of his channel at the end of the video, and I'll also have a link to his channel in the description box. So please make sure you go over and check out Meathead, okay? So today, what we're going to cook is we're going to make some bang bang chicken. And if most of you have heard of a chain restaurant called Bonefish Grill, I'm sure some of you probably haven't, but they're really famous for their bang bang shrimp. And what makes the bang bang shrimp or the bang bang chicken so delicious is the sauce. It's called bang bang sauce. So I'm going to do my version of bang bang sauce on chicken today, and it's not a copycat recipe at all, but it's really close and it's really yummalicious. And the wonderful thing about this is the original recipe for bang bang shrimp is fried, and this is wonderful for the weeknights because it's going to be little cleanup. What we're going to do is we're going to pop it in the oven. We're going to coat it with some of the bang bang sauce and some panko breadcrumbs and some other wonderful things. Pop it in the oven and for about 25-30 minutes, and we'll be ready to have something scrumptious. So come on in and let's take a look at our ingredients. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our bang bang chicken. I have some mayonnaise here. I have a combination of garlic powder and onion powder. I have some salt and black pepper. I have some Thai sweet chili sauce, and this is the brand that I use. It's called Mayploy. I like it really well. You can get it in most grocery stores in the Asian section. I have some rice vinegar. I have some dried basil. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use breast. The actual recipe calls for breast. Use either. I prefer chicken thighs. I have some beaten egg. I have some milk. I have some panko breadcrumbs in the back, and I have some all-purpose flour. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. I have a small bowl here, and I am going to make my sauce, and it's very simple. I'm just going to combine my mayo and my chili garlic sauce and my rice vinegar and get it all stirred up. Okay, so my sauce is all whisked up. The next thing I'm going to do is combine my egg with my milk and just whisk it all up. So in my bag, I have my flour and my panko breadcrumbs, and I'm simply going to add my salt and pepper, my dried basil, and my onion and garlic powder, and I'm just going to get it all shaken up. So I have a pan lined with parchment paper here, and I'm first going to take some of my boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I cut up into bite-sized pieces, and I'm just going to drop a couple in my flour and panko mixture and shake it up. Then I'll take it and drop it in my egg and milk mixture. Drop it back in the bag. And then put it on my lined pan. And I'll do this until all of my chicken is coated. All of my bang bang chicken is coated, and it is ready to go into my preheated 375 degree oven for about 25 or 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll do the final step. Okay, so our chicken pieces have come out of the oven, and please don't let the appearance fool you. These are moist and delicious and crispy, and we're getting ready to dress these babies up with some of this sauce that we made with the mayo and the Thai chili sauce. Okay, so I'm going to toss these in the sauce. I'm going to reserve some of the sauce for dipping as well. I'm going to put them on a plate, and then we'll taste. I'll be back. Okay guys, here we are. What a difference a few minutes make, because this looks absolutely fab. It looks so fantastic. And I reserved some of that yummy sauce to dip with, but I tossed this in the sauce, and I sprinkled it with a little bit of dried parsley. Let's taste. Guys, that is fabulous. Fabulous. Wow. That sauce is killer, and you can use it on so many things. But the chicken, let's start with the chicken. The chicken is perfectly cooked. It's moist. It's not dry. It's just perfect. It's still got a little bit of crunch even after being tossed in the sauce. The sauce has only a hint of sweetness, and it's got some tang from the rice vinegar. It's absolutely wonderful. I hope that you'll give this a try. And I also hope that you'll go over and check out Chris over at Meathead. Please, because he's a cool guy with a really cool channel, and I know that you'll enjoy it. So go check him out, subscribe, and tell him that I sent you. And please, please comment, like, subscribe, and most of all, I really want you to share this video. Okay? I love you guys. Go feed your family. Bye-bye.